Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the camera in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. 1. Step 1. Open 2. Step 2. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu. 3. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, choose the Settings option. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page. 4. Step 4. Scroll down the Settings page until you find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to expand the options. 5. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate the Site Settings option and click on it. This will open the Site Settings page. 6. Step 6. On the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the Camera option. Click on it to access the camera settings. 7. Step 7. Within the camera settings, toggle off the switch or uncheck the checkbox next to the option that says Allow sites to access your camera. This will disable the camera in Chrome on your PC. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the camera in Chrome on your PC. This is a great way to protect your privacy and ensure that websites cannot access your camera without your permission. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.